The global high-purity electronic chemicals market is valued at $27.2 billion in 2024 and has been forecast to expand at a noteworthy CAGR of 7.7% to end up at $56.9 billion by 2034. The high-purity electronic chemicals market serves as the key infrastructure base for the electronics and semiconductor industries, providing materials extremely high in purity, which play a critical role in manufacturing processes. Among these chemicals, acids, bases, solvents, and strong oxidizers play the core role of etching, cleaning, doping, and polishing during manufacturing semiconductor procedures for PCBs and photovoltaic cells. This has led to higher demand for consumer electronics integrated with growth in electric vehicle adoption, and more sensitive innovations in telecommunication. 5G technology has led to increased demand for stronger and more reliable components. The global market for high-purity electronic chemicals is growing rapidly, mainly because of the sensational growth of the semiconductor industry. The U.S. market for high-purity electronic chemicals is estimated at $4.6 billion in 2024 and is projected to expand at a CAGR of 7.2% through 2034.